The High Court has declared that Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja can be held personally responsible for any human rights violations committed by the officers under his watch. This comes after the Katiba Institute took him to court last year, calling out the lack of accountability in the police force. The court made it clear, if cops step out of line, the IG can't just shrug it off. Justice Bahati Mumui put it bluntly, saying, "The IG has a duty to ensure his officers follow the law. If they don't, he's on the hook." This verdict couldn't have come at a more critical time. The police have been under fire for their heavy-handed tactics during protests and allegations of illegal detentions. Just last month, the same court ordered Kanja to show up with 6 missing individuals thought to have been picked up by plainclothes officers. The judge didn't mince words about the seriousness of these so-called abductions. And it doesn't stop there. Back in September, the Law Society of Kenya, LSK, called Kanja out for ignoring a court order. They claimed police deployed plainclothes officers during a peaceful protest without any identification badges, totally against the rules. The Katiba Institute, known for fighting for justice and human rights, was behind the case. They've made it their mission to keep government institutions in check, and this latest win is a big step forward. So, what does this mean for the police force? For starters, the ruling puts Kanja in a tight spot. It sets a precedent where the boss can't dodge responsibility for the actions of his team, especially in cases involving brutality or rights abuses. Word on the street is this will push the force to tighten up their operations and start following the law to the letter.